Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I took some items from Dollar Tree and recreated some high-end home decor items for less. I have always liked these popular square picture frames that I see in all the home stores where they put them in like collages and make them in sets of like 6 or 9, and I've always wanted to do that in my home, but I did not want to pay the price that I saw at these other stores, so I knew I could make it for less with something from Dollar Tree. Now Dollar Tree has this picture frame right here that's kind of like a picture frame collage, but you don't actually have to use it the way that it's set up. You can remove that stuff and use it the way you want to. Now for the backing, I just took some scrap paper that I found at Walmart for the backing, and I also use this scrap paper to basically lay out how I wanted to put my picture frames on the wall. You kind of want to do this before you put any nails or any type of thing to put your stuff up. That way you know exactly how it is. And here's how mine came out. I decided to do the pictures in black and white because I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a high-end look, and I made this around $12, not including the scrap paper, but if you include the scrap paper it's around $15. I just don't include it because I use it for other craft stuff, so I already have it on hand, but it's around $12 if you have the scrap paper, and then it's around $15 if you just have to purchase it, which is way cheaper than the other ones. Another high-end decor item that I always wanted to have in my home, especially by the front door, is where they have a bunch of those rectangular mirrors all put together to create one big mirror. I love that look, but I do not like the price, and I knew I could do it with some items from Dollar Tree. Now Dollar Tree has sold different mirrors before, square and rectangular mirrors, but when I saw this new one at Dollar Tree, I knew instantly I wanted to make this DIY with this one because how high-end and how beautiful it looked. Now when you do this, all you have to do is take a bunch of these mirrors and basically glue them together how you want them. But this one, after I did glue it together, it was a little bit flimsy, so one of the things that I did was I took some binder clips and I clipped them together and put glue on the binder clips and clipped them together, and then just removed the silver piece, and it made it more sturdy that way. And I'm sorry I don't have a video for you guys. I actually lost the footage of me making this, so that's why I'm kind of talking you through how it came out, because I don't have the footage. But it came out so beautiful, and it made it a little bit more sturdy clipping the binder clips, and trust me, the little metal parts, they pop right off and you will not see them in the back once you clip them, and it just gives it a little bit more support. Another high-end item that I always see in these home decor stores is these glass like candle holders. Now we've had regular ones at Dollar Tree all the time, but this typical design right here that I've been seeing all over the home decor stores are quite expensive, and we've never really seen them at Dollar Tree until now. Dollar Tree recently got a similar looking glass candle holders, yeah, they look exactly like these, and they actually come in 3 different sizes. You have the big size, the medium size, and the small size. So you can take these and do multiple type of decor, home decor items. You can use all 3, you can use just 1 size, 2 sizes. So you basically can take these 3 and recreate so many high-end decor pieces at home and give that similar look for much less. And what you can do is you could just put regular candles right on them. You could take the fat candles that they have at Dollar Tree, put them right on them. Or a lot of times I have seen these candle holders that have this same look at the bottom, but they have like a vase on top, and they go for a lot more at the stores as well. You can take these candle holders and then take some of the Dollar Tree vases, which come in so many different sizes. I like this hurricane vase myself, and put them on top of these glass candle holders, and they fit perfectly inside of the top of the candle holders, and then you can add candles to that. So you can make so many looks with these glass candle holders, and they only cost $1.25. And if you saw my Dollar Tree floral decor DIY video, you guys saw that I used these vases, well, these candle holder vase creation, I don't even know what to call it, but you guys saw that I used it for my dining room table, for my centerpiece, for Valentine's Day, and I also kept this up during Easter time, and it's such a cute like decor piece. I feel like I can take this because they're clear, I can use them for every holiday. I could just switch out the florals, but I really love how this came out as a centerpiece in my dining room table. But again, this is just one idea that you can do. You can also just take them and decorate them around the home. And if you guys have some other ideas of how you guys use these vases or these candle holders, let me know in the comments down below. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which one is your favorite down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.